time to take a look at some of the scanning operations of the scan and cut machine. Here I have a hand stamped image, so we are going to use the direct cut function of the machine to help us cut that out. I remove the protective cover from the sticky mat and then position my hand stamped image onto the mat, smoothing it down with the back of the spatula to make sure that it will stay put whilst it's being scanned and subsequently cut. Using the quick reference guide, set the blade and the pressure on the machine to reflect the type of cardstock or material that you are trying to cut. In my case, it's a regular cardstock, so I'm going for a blade depth of 4 and a pressure of 0. Load the mat onto the rollers and then press the load mat button. Now tap on scan and then direct cut. Some users will have the option to do the processing in Canvas Workspace. However, for this example, I will use just the machine. There is a color recognition mode and a black and white recognition mode. Generally, I use the black and white because that looks for the outline based on contrast, rather than looking for individual blocks of colors. When you press the Start button, first your design will be scanned. The machine will then begin the recognition process. And it will present on screen what it has been able to find. Because we're using our dirty sticky mats, there is also some other debris that it will find, and I will show you how to isolate that out shortly. Just while we're on this screen, there are some additional tools that I will be covering in advanced scanning in a future video. For now though, I will continue with this operation, and I'm simply isolating the floral design that I've stamped out so that I get rid of all those other bits that you saw on the mat. Click Preview, and if you're happy with the result and have a clear outline around your shape, click OK. Now select Cut and then press the Start Stop button. When the machine has finished the operation, it will provide a confirmation message. You can then unload the mat and reveal the amazing cutout image. Using the spatula to remove the outside first is often a good way to get into the design that has been cut. And we can see there a lovely beautiful cut using the direct cut feature of the scan and cut machine. And here's a little closer look. Now, if you do have a situation where your cutting edge is offset against the image you've been trying to cut, as you will see in this example here, you may need to do a scanning cutting alignment calibration. And I will show you how to do this in a separate video.